Hi, I'm Dero the Barista, and in this video I would like to share with you our recipe for making a cafe latte. We use 20 grams of coffee and extract 30 grams of espresso and milk. Follow me. We start by cleaning our pot filter, weighing it. We grind our coffee. We need 20 grams of coffee. We're using Brazil coffee beans. We weigh it again to confirm it's 20 grams of coffee. We tamp our coffee for a better extraction of the coffee. We're using 8-ounce cup. So we extract our coffee. We need 25 grams of coffee out in a time of 21 seconds. On 25 grams, our coffee is finished. So we prepare our milk for steaming. We are using fresh milk for our cafe latte. We purge our steam to remove the air. Then we steam our milk. We make it less foam for the cafe latte, and we steam at a degree of 65 degrees. That's our temperature we use for our cafe latte for a better tasting cup of coffee. We swirl the milk to make sure like the foam is mixed well with the milk. So we start by mixing the espresso with the milk. Then we start drawing our latte art. For today we'll be drawing a swan. And that's it. Your cafe latte is ready and it's ready to be served. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, leave a thumbs up for me. For any questions, suggestions, leave a comment below. Subscribe to the channel. Until next time, thank you.